price of a Pego figure set was $20, Sally bought one such figure set and had to pay 7% GST on the price. How much did she pay for the Pego figure set? Now, for the students who have no idea what GST is, right? GST is an additional tax by the government. Okay, so for this one, it actually means goods and services tax. And this is payable to the government. Alright, so now let's try to answer this question. They said that the price for the figure set was $20. This $20 is 100%. And then Sally have to pay an additional 7%. Which means that originally for the 100% bar over here, this is $20. And this one is 100%. Sally have to pay an additional 7%, okay, over here, before she can take the figure set away. Now, the question said, how much did she pay for the figure set altogether? So first of all, we have to find this one. After we find this one, then we have to find the total, which is this big question mark. So we're going to find this small 7% first. So always remember to go and write down your percentage you're looking for and then draw the arrow. If 1% is $20, okay, and I want to find a total of how many percent? A total of 107%, right? So it's 107%. I'll take 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 107. So it's 20 over 100 multiplied by 107. Okay, so let's figure out using a calculator, what can you do? 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 107, and that will give us a grand total of $21.40. So which means that Sally, right, have to pay a total of $21.40. Even if the price is only $20, she have to pay the 7% GST, which is 7% extra, to get this amount over here. This is actually how you do the question. Don't forget, goods and services tax, very important. So the answer will be option 3. Done.